Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine here, back with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today, we have made it to day number 194 of the Smile Legion Secret Challenge. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting a offer from a place called ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Legion Secret. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a steady income doing so within 1 year. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and hop right into this video, and also go back and watch these previous videos so you can kind of get up to speed on where we started versus where we are now. So day number 194, guys, let's go ahead and hop right to it. If you guys don't know what My Legion Secret is, My Legion Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay. Now these leads are business opportunity leads. Okay. So these people care about making money. All right. So it's our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and find offers that are related to making money. And we create an email and we send those emails out to this traffic, and we get people to sign up with us and we get people to purchase our program. All right. So My Legion Secret is that's what it consists of. It's an email service. Okay. So you're going to get 100 to 200 leads. Now, what separates the two, whether you get 100 or 200, is going to determine how many accounts that you have. All right. Now, the cool thing about My Legion Secret, they allow you to have multiple accounts. All right. So you can sign up for an account, and then after you sign up, you can take your own affiliate link and you can sign up underneath your own affiliate link. And then you could take that affiliate link from that second account that you have, and you would sign up underneath your own affiliate link once again from that second account. And then you would create a third account and you would stack your accounts on top of each other. Okay. And that's how you get multiple thousands and thousands of people on your list, is by doing that strategy. Okay. Now, a little bit about myself. I've been with My Legion Secret over a few years now. I totally love the service. I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert very well. The only thing about this traffic, guys, this is cold traffic. Okay. So these people do have to get warmed up to our offer before they decide to sign up or subscribe or purchase the program. Okay. Now, right now with My Legion Secret, I have about 8 different accounts that I use. Okay. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out my emails every single day. I like sending out my emails at night, anywhere between the hours of 9 p.m. to midnight. I don't like to go over midnight. I like to do it before midnight. So anytime before then that's my time on when I like doing it. Now I did before, I think a couple years ago, I like to send my emails out early in the morning, like when I got up. Okay. And that worked very well as well. So it just depends on what works best for you. But try to get on to a certain schedule where people are expecting your emails and you're sending your emails out at the same time every single day. Okay. Me, I just like doing it at night. All right. So that's just a little, in a nutshell, about myself, about My Legion Secret. I totally love the service. And as long as this service is going to be around, I'm going to be a member. Okay. So it's pretty awesome. All right. So there's going to be two popular ways to make money with My Legion Secret. Number one is you can literally come in here and promote the My Legion Secret program. Okay. Which is a cool way to do it, right? You can just sign up for a My Legion Secret and only promote the My Legion Secret program. Okay. Now you're going to get sales and you're going to get leads from that as well. So pretty much all you would have to do is go here to the mailing system, create your own email. You have your affiliate link right here. Send your email out with this affiliate link in it, and then you're going to get traffic from that, get subscribers and sales. Now, also, they have some pre-written email swipes that you can use. If you go to affiliates, go over here to the promo tools, come down here, and you're going to see about 10 email swipes that are ready to go. Okay. Now, these 10 emails are dedicated to promoting the My Legion Secret program. Okay. So you can take one of these emails, and what you would do is just click import affiliate email, and it's going to import it into the mailing system. So let's go ahead and click on that so I can show you in real time. So as you can see, it took us to the mailing system, and this is where you're going to do all your emails at, is in this mailing system. Okay. So you would come down here and then you would just click on your emails. Now I'm going to have a lot more than you guys because I've been doing this for a while. So I've already collected thousands of people in my inboxes. Okay. So if you come down here, it already pre-populates an email for you. Okay. Watch TV or make some real money instead, right? Question mark. And then it also gives you a pre-written email swipe that's ready to go. So this email looks good. Everything looks good on that. And then right here, I have my affiliate link. And then this is the link when this email goes out. People are going to click on this link, and then it's going to take them to my landing page, and my landing page is going to do all the selling and telling for me. My job is just to get the prospects to that link to get them click on that link. Okay. And how you do that is by creating a really good email. Okay. So you come down here and you click on perfect timing. Always make sure that you got a check mark in perfect timing. As you can see right here, I've already sent out my emails for tonight. I always send out my emails before shooting these videos. So you're not going to be able to see any buttons because I've already sent out my email. Now you're going to see two buttons. Okay. One is going to say send now and one is going to say preview. Okay. Go ahead and click on the send now. Okay. And when you click send now, this email is going to go out to all of those subscribers. All right. Which is pretty cool. So that's going to be one popular way to make money with the mailing system is just simply promoting My Legion Secret as a program. Okay. Now the other way is going to be using an another affiliate network. Okay, such as ClickBank. They have Warrior Plus. They have JV Zoo. They have Max Bounty. They have Blue Media. I mean, there's just tons of CPA networks out there for you guys. There's tons of them. Okay. And you can go and promote their business opportunities to this traffic, all right, which is Ninja. Okay, so because you have traffic that's a targeted set of subscribers that are looking to make money, and you go out and grab an affiliate network where you're grabbing business opportunity offers that show people how to make money, and you put those two together and things happen. All right. So let me show you what one of those emails look like. What we are using for this challenge, and like I said in the beginning, we're using ClickBank because the reason why we're using ClickBank is because those offers respond very well to this traffic, okay, with My Legion Secret. So that's why we're using this. And ClickBank is free and easy to get started. So you can go and create a free account, okay, and it doesn't cost you a dime. All right. So let's go ahead and find an email, okay? So this is what it would look like. One of those emails that you're sending out on ClickBank. Okay, they give you a pre-written swipe email, a pre-written subject line. Okay, excuse me, which is going to be this right here, and then it also gives you the email swipe. Okay, so you have a free email that you can paste in there, and this email is ready to go. Okay. And then also you have these clickable links right here. So when our prospect clicks on these links, it takes them to our affiliate page, and our affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. All we have to do is get our prospect to our affiliate page. Okay. So those are going to be the two popular ways to make money with the My Legion Secret program. Right. Now, there's going to be three ways to send out an email. Okay. Number one is you can create your own email. If you're good at creating ad copy and creating good content, just create your own email because it's unique. Nobody else has it. Okay. And those convert very well. Okay. And also you can grab the affiliate link. Okay. For whatever program that you're, promoting, whatever offer that you're promoting, and you can insert it into that email you created and then click send. Boom. You just sent out an email, and it's unique and it's going to convert very well. So if you're good at creating ad copy, that will be a good way to go. Okay, a good route to take. All right. The second way to send out an email is going to be using some kind of email AI service, right? Chat GPT. I mean, there's tons of different AI software out there that you can use where you can literally just have it go create you a perfect email, right? You can create an email based on the offer that you're promoting. Okay, so that's a second way that you can use, send out an email on the mailing system. The third way is going to be using the free email swipes that come with the offer on ClickBank. All right, and that's what I would recommend that you guys start out at first. Okay, now if you go to clickbank.com in the e-business marketing section, there's about 4 different offers, And those offers work really, really well. Okay. And they also have 20 different email swipes, which each and every offer, all four of those offers have about 20 different free pre-written email swipes that goes with the offer. That's congruent with the offer. Okay. So I would recommend going out and just testing out one of those offers. Go into the affiliate section of that offer and they give you 20 free email swipes that all you have to do is copy and paste over to this mailing system and see what happens. All right. So that's what I would recommend for you guys. If you guys go back and watch these earlier videos in this series, I go in more detail on going to ClickBank, grabbing the offer, showing you how to copy and paste it over to the mailing system. All right. So pretty much that's how you do it in a nutshell. Those are the three major ways to send out an email, popular ways to send out an email in the mailing system. Okay. And I would recommend step number three, which is just using the pre-written emails that are already, known to convert and that work really good. Okay. So that's how you send out an email in the mailing system. And then those are the ways that you can make money with My Legion Secret. I'm gonna take you over here to ClickBank. ClickBank is an affiliate platform where you can go and you can promote other people's programs, other people's offers, okay, that they've created. And they also have different niches, anywhere from cooking, health and fitness to spirituality, self development. Make money online. Okay, which is that's the niche that we are in with this traffic, is the business opportunity niche. Okay. So if you go to clickbank.com, get started. It's free, doesn't cost you a dime to get started. This is one of my ClickBank accounts. I do have multiple ClickBank accounts because I do have other things that I do online, like paid advertising and other traffic sources that I use. So I separate my accounts. But this specific ClickBank account I created at the beginning of this challenge, and I only created it just to show you the power of My Legion Secret. All right. So I just wanted to create this account and just only use the My Legion Secret traffic. There's no other traffic. Okay. So this is kind of what we are doing in this account. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look into the back office here. I'm on the dashboard. I'm just going in real time for you. Today is November the 7th. As you can come down here and look at the bottom here is November the 7th. Just to let you know, this is not some kind of fake screenshot or fake sales or anything like that. This is real in real time. Okay. Real time results. All right. So what I like doing is doing the last 30 days, as you can see. I used to do daily results, but right now I just like doing last 30 days. That way you can kind of see the algorithm up to the point where we're getting sales every single day. Okay. So this is going to be the algorithm, guys. This is kind of what it looks like. And this is what it would look like for you if you guys were to send out emails every day for 3 to 6 months. Okay. You're going to see these type of results. Okay. Now, I cannot guarantee you're going to do that. But what I can guarantee you is that you follow exactly what I'm showing you in these videos and you do exactly what I tell you to do. You're going to see the results. Okay. It's all a numbers game, because the more emails that you send out, the more accounts that you have, the more opportunity that you have to get in front of thousands of people. Okay. So that's the trick, guys, is coming in every day and sending out emails. Okay. So I just wanted to show you the algorithm, what it looks like. We're getting sales pretty consistent, guys. It looks pretty good so far for the month that we're in. We're in month number 6. And where it looks like we're halfway there. Okay. We have some gaps in between here. As you can see, in the beginning of the 30 days, we got a sale here. We missed a day. We got a sale back to back. We missed a day. We got back to back, and then we missed 2 days. Okay, so 2 days is. It looks like from here to right here, 2 days is the longest that we've went without having a sale. Okay, which is not bad. Okay, for where we are right now. Okay, in the beginning, if you go back and watch those videos, we may have a sale here, and then one way over here somewhere. Okay, but as we started to send the emails, is once we got to month 3 and 5 and 6, okay, the emails, the sales started to look like this. So we haven't went more than 2 days without a sale. And that's because we come in every day and we send out emails. Okay. Excuse me. So we missed 2 days. And then right here, as you can see, we got sales 4 days in a row. Okay. Which is really good. Okay. That means that the algorithm is changing. Things are changing. So we're starting to get a little bit more into where we're headed. Okay. And then we got 4 sales in a row. And we missed a day right here. Okay. And then we came back and we got 5 sales in a row, which is really awesome. Okay. And this is the first time that this has happened for this account. Okay. That we've hit 5 sales in a row. And this tells me that we're headed to another direct. We're doing this right here. Okay. We're going up. Okay. We missed a sale. Okay. But then we came back and we got a sale today. We got a rebuild today. Okay. So this tells me that things are on the up and up, and you know, things are starting to be a little bit more consistent. The longer. This is what I'm trying to show you guys. The longer you stay with this, the longer you send out emails, the more opportunity that you're going to have, and the more money you're going to make. Okay. Now, the cool thing about ClickBank, why I love them so much, is that they pay every single week. They pay every single Friday. Okay. So I did get paid today. Okay. And the thing about this traffic, guys, when you see these sales are coming in every month, right? Every month in and month out is looking like this, okay? Month in and month out, this stuff doesn't change. As long as I'm sending out emails, this is going to look like this, okay? And all it's going to do is going to keep growing. And eventually it's going to get to a point where we are getting sales every single day, okay? We're not going to miss a day we may miss a day, okay? But most of the time we'll be getting a sale every single day, okay? And that's the point that we have to get to, okay? We're only in month number 6 of this challenge, so we have another 6 months to go to be able to get sales where we're making them every day, and we have some consistency, and we're able to earn a steady income doing so within 1 year. Okay, so if you guys want to get started, I don't want to take too much more of your time. Come down here to the bottom of this video, guys. Go ahead and click on more. All right, click on this MLGS True Freedom tiny URL. It's going to take you over to the landing page. Come down here. As you can see, there's other people making money. These are people that are just promoting the My Lead Gen secret system. Okay, and they're making money. All right, it's just a testimony of other people that, I mean, this stuff works. Okay, there's other people doing it. I'm not the only one that's making money here. Okay, there's other people doing it. You search YouTube with this ClickBank and My Lead. There's other people making money. Okay, I'm not the only one. Okay, and the My Lead, not the My Lead Gen Secret, but the Warrior Plus affiliate network that I was telling you before. There's people making money with it right here. Okay, so I just wanted to show you what other people are doing. There's other people making money, okay, doing this thing. So let's come here, guys. Click on Join MLGS now. Go ahead and get started. It's $1 a day. All right. $60, $60 to get your account started, and then $30 a month to keep the service. It's a no-brainer. Okay, I've been doing this for a few years. Take my word for it that this stuff does work. And I'm going to, like I said, if you don't sign up, no biggie. I'm still going to keep sending out emails every single day, and I'm still keep making money. But if you're someone who's looking for the extra income online, that, you may need extra money for bills, rent, putting groceries on the table, right? Mortgage, car payment, things like that, right? Bills, stuff that can help with your daily bills and bills that you got to pay every single month. This is going to be the extra income that you're going to be able to make to do so. Okay. Now I've seen this thing get up to $1,500, $2,000 a month, all the way up to $5,000 a month. Okay. Now, could that help you? Could that help your family? Right. So, but the thing about it, guys, the hardest thing about doing this is getting started. Okay. You have to get started. Okay. I would recommend at least starting out with 3 accounts. Okay. That way you can hit the ground running. And then after that, once you start making money, then you can reinvest in the system, in the program, and get you about 5 different accounts. Okay. 5 accounts is going to be the sweet spot. That's going to be where I recommend everyone have in order for you to make money. Okay. So I'm going to end this video on that note. Just wanted to come in here and show you how to send out an email. I wanted to show you the results from the last 30 days like I'm doing every single day. I'm just coming in showing you guys nothing but results, nothing but value. Okay. I recommend you guys getting started. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Like this video, subscribe to this channel. True Freedom Income. There's going to be a lot of good stuff, a lot of great things that are going to be coming to this channel. And all I want to do is help other people out here in the world, in our universe, okay, and help people earn the extra income that they want to make. All right. So I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm going to come back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.